Hi, I'm Mrs. Carrera, and I'm really excited to talk about Kingdom Animalia, a middle school life science course. We're going to cover the most common creatures and their incredible diversity in how they live, feed, and reproduce. We're going to start by an introduction to biodiversity and classification, and then we'll start talking about the invertebrates, beginning with porifera and cnidarians, then worms and mollusks. We'll then talk about echinoderms, and then the arthropods will be split into 2 weeks. First week talking about crustaceans and arachnids, and the following week talking about centipedes, millipedes, and insects. We'll then move into the vertebrates, starting with fish. We'll then move to the amphibians, the reptiles, the birds, and finally, mammals. The course materials are all supplied. The students will get a free weekly ebook that will contain the basics of all the information that they need. There will also be a series of links to various resources. The most important resource we're going to rely on are videos from the Shape of Life series by PBS. These are very beautiful videos that really illustrate a lot of information about these different creatures. Some of them do talk about reproduction, so you might want to preview them before you have your kids watch them. They're all broken up into short segments, so you don't have to watch them all at once. The students' weekly work is broken up into 3 basic areas. First is research. So each week, the students will complete a research worksheet on the different animals we're going to be covering in the following week. So they can use the videos and just write down information they learn from the videos. And then on the back of that sheet, they can draw a picture of each creature. Then each week there will be a quiz during the first part of the class. It is timed and it is graded. So while it is open book and open note, the students have to be familiar enough with the material in order to answer the questions in the time period given. And then finally, they'll be sharing. They'll take their information that they researched the week before, and they will share bits of it during class. Dissections are also part of this course. There are 7 specimens that we will be using to coordinate with different topics that we're covering. And here's a picture of those creatures. So there's an earthworm, a clam, a starfish, a crayfish, a grasshopper, a perch, and a frog. They are optional, but they are highly encouraged. They're not graded, but I am available for any guidance, and I encourage the students to take pictures of their work and show it during class. So the course is designed for the students to discover through investigation and exploration using the videos and dissection. The quizzes are the only thing that are graded, but parents are encouraged to grade other materials based on your expectations of your students as well as your educational style. But most importantly, this course is designed for the students to have fun. Thanks for watching, and may God bless your homeschooling endeavors.